Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Cosmic Blueprints Astrology, where we go deep into the wisdom of the stars to help you understand your life, your gifts, and your greatest potential. We've been on an incredible journey through the wealth houses of astrology together. We covered the second house, your personal financial foundation and self worth. We covered the fifth house, your creative gifts, risk, and the joy that becomes a wealth portal. And today we're arriving at the house that most astrologers consider the most powerful house of all when it comes to sudden life changing wealth, the eighth house. This is the house of transformation, of death and rebirth, of other people's money, shared resources, inheritance, investments, insurance, and the kind of financial shift that does not just change your bank accounts, it changes your entire life. When the eighth house activates in your chart, nothing stays the same. So if you're ready to go deep, and I mean really deep, let's talk about the eighth house and the astrology of sudden wealth. The eighth house is one of the most complex and misunderstood houses in all of astrology. It sits opposite the second house, which rules your personal money and self worth, and together they form the financial axis of your chart. Where the second house is about what you own and what you earn through your own efforts, the eighth house is about shared resources, other people's money, what comes to you through union, merger, partnership, and transformation. This includes inheritances, gifts, settlements, insurance payouts, investments, tax returns, loans, alimony, royalties, and any financial resources that originates outside of you and flows towards you. But the eighth house is about so much more than money. It rules transformation at the deepest level. It governs what must die so that something new can be born. It rules intimacy, power, hidden truths, the occult, psychology, and the mysteries of life and death. And it's precisely because the eighth house governs the deepest transformations of human experiences that the wealth it brings is really ordinary. Eighth house wealth tends to arrive during moments of significant life change, a marriage, a death, a crisis that forces a complete restructuring, a business merger, a legal resolution, the end of one chapter and the sudden, sometimes shocking beginning of another. So, this is not the slow and steady wealth of the second house. This is not the joyful, creative wealth of the fifth house. This is the wealth that arrives through intensity, through depth, through transformation, and it has the power to alter the entire trajectory of your life. The sign on your fifth house cusp tells you how that transformative financial energy naturally expresses itself in your life. And the planets inside your eighth house tell you exactly which cosmic forces are shaping your experience of shared wealth, sudden change, and deep financial transformation. So, here is the truth at the heart of eighth house astrology that I want you to carry with you. The eighth house does not bring ordinary wealth. It brings transformative wealth, the kind of financial shift that is inseparable from a deeper change happening within you and within your life. And that means the real work of the eighth house is not just financial, it's psychological and spiritual. It requires you to look honestly at your relationship with power, with other people's resources, with what you believe you deserve to receive, with your willingness to let go of one financial chapter so that a far greater one can begin. Because here's what I see again and again in charts: the people who receive the most profound eighth house financial blessings are almost always people who've done the inner work, who've faced their shadows around money and power, and who've been willing to sit in the discomfort of transformation without running from it. So the eighth house asks you to trust the process of death and rebirth, to believe that what's ending is making way for something far greater, to release your grip on what was so that you can open your hands to receive what's coming. Transformation's not the obstacle to your wealth. In the eighth house, transformation is the wealth. So let's go through every sign on the eighth house cusp and what it reveals about how sudden wealth through transformation and shared resources might show up in your life. Aries on the eighth house. So, this is bold and direct in how you handle shared resources and financial transformation. Sudden wealth often comes quickly and unexpectedly, sometimes through a courageous financial decision or through being first to act when opportunity arises. You don't hesitate when transformation calls. Taurus on the eighth house. So it's slow, steady, and deeply values security and shared finances. Unexpected wealth here tends to come through inheritance, long term investments finally maturing, or property. You hold on through financial storms with remarkable patience, and you're usually rewarded for it. Gemini on the eighth house. Your relationship with shared resources is fluid and multifaceted. So, sudden wealth can come through contracts, legal agreements, information, or multiple streams of shared financial income. Your ability to communicate and negotiate around money is a genuine financial gift. Cancer on the eighth house, it's deeply emotional and intuitive around shared resources. So, inheritance and family wealth are strong themes here. Sudden financial shifts often come through family, sometimes through loss, sometimes through unexpected gifts. Your instincts around money and shared resources are powerful, so trust them. Leo on the eighth house is powerful and magnetic in shared financial dealings. So, sudden wealth can come through partnerships, creative joint ventures, or being recognized for your leadership in a way that opens major financial doors. You attract influential people who want to invest in your vision. Virgo on the eighth house is meticulous and analytical around shared finances. You manage other people's money with care and precision. Sudden wealth often comes through financial services, healthcare, detailed financial planning, or a long overlooked resource that your sharp eye finally identifies. Libra on the eighth house. So, partnerships and legal matters are your primary wealth themes. So, sudden financial shifts often come through marriage, divorce settlements, business partnerships, or legal resolutions. Balance and fairness in your financial dealings are essential for your abundance to flow freely. Scorpio on the eighth house. Scorpio is the natural ruler of the eighth house, making this an extraordinarily powerful placement. You have an almost magnetic relationship with other people's resources, investments, inheritance, hidden wealth, deep financial transformation. All of these themes are amplified. When wealth comes to you through the eighth house with this placement, it tends to be significant and life altering. Sagittarius on the eighth house is philosophical and expansive in your approach to shared resources and transformation. So, sudden wealth can come through international connections, legal matters, publishing deals, higher education, or a financial opportunity that arrives from an unexpected corner of the world. Capricorn on the eighth house is disciplined, strategic, and serious about shared finances. You build carefully and manage resources with long term vision. Sudden wealth here often comes through structured financial vehicles like corporate inheritance, business buyouts, strategic investments, or career achievements that unlock major financial rewards. Aquarius on the eighth house is unconventional and forward thinking in how you handle shared resources. So, sudden wealth can come through technology, group investments, community financial ventures, or completely unexpected and unusual sources. Your financial breakthroughs tend to surprise even you. Pisces on the eighth house is intuitive, spiritual, and deeply sensitive about shared finances. So, hidden assets, spiritual inheritance, and unexpected gifts from compassionate sources are strong themes. Your intuition around financial transformation is powerful, and learning to trust it fully is part of your wealth journey. Now, let's get into planets in the eighth house. If you have planets sitting here in your chart, they're profoundly shaping how you experience financial transformation, shared resources, and sudden wealth. So, Sun in the eighth house, your identity is forged through transformation. You're drawn to depth, mystery, and the hidden layers of life, and your financial story reflects that. Sudden wealth often comes through other people's resources, through moments of crisis turning into opportunity, or through a complete reinvention of your financial life. You're not afraid of going to the depths, and the fearlessness is ultimately what opens major financial doors. Moon in the eighth house, your emotions are deeply connected to shared resources and financial transformation. So money can feel intensely personal and emotionally charged. But your intuition around hidden wealth and financial opportunities is extraordinarily powerful. You can sense things others miss, and that sensitivity, when trusted, becomes a genuine financial asset. Mercury in the eighth house, your mind is drawn to financial investigation, research, and uncovering hidden information. You have a gift for understanding complex financial structures, contracts, and shared resource agreements. Sudden wealth can come through financial research, uncovering overlooked assets, or through a negotiation or conversation that completely transforms your financial situation. Venus in the eighth house is a magnetic and powerful placement for wealth through relationships and shared resources. So, Venus here attracts financial abundance through partnerships, intimate unions, and shared financial ventures. Inheritance and gifts from others are strong themes. There's a natural ease with attracting other people's resources, and when activated, this placement can bring genuinely beautiful financial surprises. Mars in the eighth house is driven, intense, and fearless in the pursuit of shared wealth. You're not afraid to go after what you're owed, to negotiate hard, or to take bold action around joint finances. So, sudden wealth can come through assertive financial decisions, legal battles won, or a courageous move in shared financial territory. Direct that Mars energy with strategy and intention. Jupiter in the eighth house. So, this is one of the most talked about wealth placements in all of astrology, and for very good reason. Jupiter expands whatever it touches, and in the eighth house, it expands your access to other people's resources, inheritance potential, investment returns, and financial transformation. So, windfalls, unexpected inheritances, significant investment gains, and sudden financial blessings are genuinely written into this placement. If Jupiter's here in your chart and being activated by a transit right now, pay very close attention to shared financial opportunities. Saturn in the eighth house. So this brings lessons, delays, and deep restructuring around finances. So inheritances may be complicated, joint financial situations may require careful navigation. But Saturn here also builds extraordinary financial resilience and mastery. The wealth that comes through an eighth house Saturn is hard won, but it's solid, lasting, and built on a foundation of genuine financial wisdom. Uranus in the eighth house, the planet of sudden change in the house of transformation and other people's money, creates one of the most electrically charged financial signatures in the entire chart. Unexpected inheritances, sudden financial windfalls from shared sources, a complete and rapid restructuring of your financial life that nobody saw coming, including you. So, Uranus here means your financial story can pivot dramatically and instantly. So, stay open, stay adaptable, and stay ready. Neptune in the eighth house is deeply intuitive and spiritually connected to the flow of shared resources. So, hidden wealth, spiritual inheritance, and money that arrives in mysterious or unexpected ways are strong themes. Clarity and discernment around shared financial agreements are essential. Neptune can blur boundaries. But when Neptune's gifts come through clearly, they can feel truly miraculous. Pluto in the eighth house. Pluto is the natural ruler of the eighth house, making this an extraordinarily powerful and transformative placement. Your entire relationship with power, shared resources, and financial transformation operates at the deepest possible level. Financial life changing events, sudden windfalls, complete financial reinventions, wealth that arrives through profound loss and rebirth are all written into this placement. When Pluto activates your finances, the shift is total, irreversible, and transformative at a soul level. So, your natal eighth house is your blueprint for financial transformation, but transits are what switch the lights on, opening the windows and doors through which sudden wealth can flow. So, when Jupiter transits your eighth house, this is a powerful 1 to 2 year cycle of financial expansion through shared resources. Inheritances become more likely, investments perform beyond expectations, joint financial ventures open up, legal and financial settlements tend to resolve in your favor. This is a time to pay close attention to shared financial opportunities and to be open to receiving from unexpected sources. When Uranus transits your eighth house, your entire shared financial landscape can shift suddenly and dramatically. A windfall arrives without warning, an inheritance comes through unexpectedly, a financial structure you relied on dissolves, and something far better takes its place. Uranus in the eighth house is one of the strongest signatures for sudden life changing wealth in all of transit astrology. So stay flexible, stay open. The universe may be about to restructure your financial life in ways you cannot even imagine. When Pluto transits your eighth house, which is a generational and deeply significant transit, your relationship with shared resources, power, and financial transformation undergoes a complete and irreversible evolution. Old financial structures are dismantled, hidden wealth is revealed, and the financial life that emerges on the other side of a Pluto eighth house transit is fundamentally different and often far more powerful than anything that came before. Eclipses activating your eighth house bring sudden, fated financial shifts through shared resources. So, an inheritance situation changes rapidly. A joint financial decision reaches a turning point. A hidden financial matter is suddenly brought to light. Eclipse energy in the eighth house moves fast and feels destined, as though the financial shift was always meant to happen exactly this way. And when Saturn transits your eighth house, this is a time of serious restructuring around shared finances. It may feel heavy, but Saturn here is building something that will last. Financial agreements are renegotiated, debt is faced and resolved. The financial foundations you may lay during a Saturn 8th house transit become some of the most solid and enduring of your entire life. So if this video spoke to you, please give it a like. It helps so many more souls find this content. And if you want to go deeper into the astrology of wealth and windfalls, my book, Astrology of Sudden Wealth, Finding Windfall in Your Birth Chart, is linked in the description below. We cover so much more in there. Please subscribe to Cosmic Blueprints Astrology so you never miss a new video, and tell me in the comments, what is your 8th house sign? Do you have any planets there? I want to hear your story. But until next time, beautiful souls, trust the transformation. Your greatest wealth may be waiting on the other side of it. Keep well, and I'll see you in the next one.